Hello everyone and welcome to Suga's Kitchen. So today I am just going to show you a small fancy bag that you can make out of materials that you have at home. Sometimes we buy a sari and the yardage has extra blouse piece which we do not use, or you have something that has been gifted by somebody, a piece of material or fabric which can be converted into bags like this for the festival season. So what I am going to do is I have taken this material and I have also put a lining. So the double layer of lining and the double layer of fabric to fold the cloth. So I have just cut out a rough piece of paper about this much. Whatever measurement of bag you want, plus 1 inch on top for folding. So I have just taken this much and I am going to mark the sides. Why I say keep your work simple is because most of us are into so many other activities and cannot spend too much time on a single activity. So whether it's cooking or making sweets or something like this, keep your work simple and easy to make, as well as it gives a good look at the end of it. So I am cutting the fabric along with the lining material. The lining can be any cotton cloth, preferably something of the same or similar shade. So this top part I have kept an extra 1 inch for folding. So when you fold the fabric and stitch like this becomes your wrong side. So naturally you turn it over and stitch the sides. Folded the top part on both sides, and after cutting the material we have folded the top part of the bag, and naturally this becomes the wrong side. So stitch the side seam, stitch the other side seam also in the machine. If you don't have a sewing machine or you're not able to stitch, you can get your nearest tailor to do this. So both the seams are stitched. For the handle, take a strip of material like this, fold it on both the sides and stitch it to make the handles. So let us stitch the handles. So the bag is done, and to fix the handles, what you do is fold your bag into half, mark the center point, and 1 inch from the center point, another inch from the center point should be the ideal for placing the handle. So 5 minutes to cut the bag and 10 minutes to stitch. Within 20 minutes, you can easily make a bag. Now what I am going to do is, I have stones of different colors which is available in any fancy store. So just to add some decor, just use your imagination and whatever color you want, you can just add. So it gives that festive look.
What is that glue?
This is fabric glue. So it's a non-transparent, transparent glue. So it won't show up on the material. You can't use Fevicol because that will show on the material. So this is transparent glue. It's called fabric glue. So if you want, you can add some more stones or whatever you want to, or do a small embroidery. So 2 bags are done. Each has taken just 15 minutes. So if you have scraps of material, yardages that are too long, or blouses that you don't need, blouse materials that you don't use, just turn them into fancy bags and you can gift your friends badam or sweets made by yourself. So go in for fancy bags made by you. You can make in different colors actually.